Concrete, the foundation of modern architecture, but rarely the star of interior design. Until now. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where today we're challenging everything you thought you knew about this versatile material. We're about to tour a home that elevates concrete from mundane to magnificent. Before we dive in, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of our innovative design explorations. Now, let's step inside and discover how concrete can create spaces of warmth and sophistication. As we step into the living room, prepare to have your preconceptions shattered. The polished concrete floor, reminiscent of high-end art galleries, sets a tone of understated elegance. But it's the textured concrete feature wall that truly commands attention. Its subtle geometric patterns, inspired by the works of op art pioneer Victor Vasarely, create a mesmerizing focal point that changes with the light throughout the day. Take a moment to observe. How many different concrete finishes can you spot? There's more than meets the eye at first glance. From the smooth floor to the textured wall, and even the sleek fireplace surround, concrete proves its chameleon-like ability to adapt to various forms and functions. Notice how the designer has balanced the coolness of concrete with organic elements. The plush area rug and leather seating provide tactile warmth, while strategically placed plants bring life to the space. It's a masterclass in creating harmony between industrial materials and natural elements. Moving into the kitchen, we find a space that would make even the most discerning chef pause in admiration. The smooth concrete countertops contrast beautifully with textured cabinet fronts, creating a visual rhythm that's both soothing and intriguing. It's a perfect example of how varying concrete finishes can create depth and interest within a single space. The centerpiece is undoubtedly the concrete island. Its raw finish celebrates the material's natural beauty, evoking memories of Mediterranean seaside cafes. The exposed aggregate adds a touch of rugged elegance, proving that imperfections can be perfection when handled with skill. But here's a question for you. How do you think the designer has balanced the coolness of concrete with warmth in this space? Look closely at the backsplash and lighting fixtures. The warm metallic accents and pendant lights with their amber glow provide a perfect counterpoint to the concrete's cool tones. It's a delicate balance that transforms this kitchen from simply modern to invitingly contemporary. The dining area showcases concrete's versatility in spectacular fashion. The table is a marvel, a concrete top with a live edge, marrying industrial chic with organic forms. It's reminiscent of the iconic designs of Zaha Hadid, blurring the line between furniture and sculpture. This piece alone demonstrates how concrete can be both robust and delicate, challenging our perceptions of the material. Look up, and you'll notice pendant lights with concrete shades. As they cast intricate shadows on the textured ceiling, it creates an ever-changing artwork overhead. It's dinner and a show, every single night. The interplay of light and shadow adds a dynamic element to the space, ensuring that the room never feels static or cold. Pay attention to the flooring transition here. The seamless flow from the kitchen's polished concrete to the dining area's large-format concrete tiles demonstrates thoughtful design continuity. It's these subtle details that elevate the overall aesthetic from good to exceptional. In the master bedroom, concrete takes on a surprisingly cozy persona. The focal point is a board-formed concrete accent wall, creating a textured headboard that rivals the most luxurious upholstered versions. It's brutalism meets boutique hotel, an unexpected but delightful combination. The concrete nightstands flanking the bed further demonstrate the material's versatility. Their smooth finish contrasts beautifully with the textured wall, creating a visual dialogue that's both sophisticated and serene. Now, here's a design challenge for you. How would you incorporate softness into this concrete-centric space? Take a moment to consider. The designer's solution is brilliant in its simplicity. Plush bedding, a sumptuous area rug, and flowing curtains provide the perfect soft counterpoints to the concrete elements. The result is a space that feels both grounded and luxurious, a true sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Prepare to have your preconceptions about concrete bathrooms completely redefined. This space is more akin to a high-end spa than a traditional bathroom. The floating concrete vanity appears to defy gravity, its clean lines and minimalist design creating a sense of spaciousness. The concrete soaking tub is a sculptural centerpiece that would make Philippe Starck proud. Its organic shape softens the angular lines typically associated with concrete, proving that the material can be both sturdy and sensuous. The shower area is particularly ingenious. Textured concrete tiles create a non-slip surface that's as practical as it is beautiful. The varying textures not only ensure safety, but also add visual interest, turning a functional space into a tactile experience. Notice the skylight above. The way it bathes the concrete surfaces in natural light throughout the day highlights the subtle color variations in the material, adding depth and warmth to the space. It's a perfect example of how thoughtful lighting can enhance concrete's natural beauty. Our final stop is the home office, a space that proves concrete can be cutting edge. The cast concrete desk with embedded cable management is a tech lover's dream, offering functionality without sacrificing style. Its seamless design ensures a clutter-free workspace, perfect for maintaining focus in our increasingly digital world. The open concrete shelving provides ample storage while maintaining an airy feel. It's a clever way to incorporate concrete elements without overwhelming the space, allowing for personalization through books, artwork, and objects. But the true innovation lies in the walls. Those aren't ordinary panels. They're acoustic concrete, engineered to improve sound quality. It's like having a recording studio designed by Tadao Ando. Whether you're on a video call or recording a podcast, this room ensures you sound as good as the space looks. The addition of a small seating area with a concrete side table demonstrates how the material can be incorporated into various functional zones within a single room. It's a versatile space that adapts to different needs throughout the workday. We've seen how concrete can transform a home, from textured living room walls to sculptural bathtubs. It's clear that this material offers endless possibilities for creating sophisticated, functional spaces. Which room inspired you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this concrete journey, give the video a thumbs up. Join us on the next video for more inspiration. Until then, keep reimagining your living spaces.